beat Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful blonde wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this blonde, like, should I say it's blonde or gold? It's gold wig, and I'm actually feeling the goldness of it all with my gold makeup. Like I'm absolutely loving it. So this wig is 18 inches long and it's from Lwigs company. I'm gonna put all the links and the specs of the wig in the description box below. I just decided to try this wig. I decided to try this color. It's not that difficult to install. I used the Got to Glue gel to install it, but like seriously, I'm actually really loving the color. I use my hair oil, like the heat protectant oil, to apply on the wig to bring out the coils. If you want to straighten it, you can actually straighten it, or you can coil it more if you want. And if you want a longer length, you can get a longer length, because you can go up to 24 inches as well. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So like I said earlier on, this wig is from Lwigs company, and as you guys can see, this is the wig and this is the way it looks. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Got to Be Glued gel and then the Got to Be Glued fix spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. After putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf and leave it to dry for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and take out the scarf. I'm going to go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil. and then I will be brushing the wig. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and lay the middle part area with my hair straightener, and I'm also going to use my hot comb as well. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.